When it comes to reliable cookware, Cuisinart has long been a name synonymous with quality, durability, and functionality. This Cuisinart 2-quart Pour Saucepan with cover Contour Cookware stainless steel takes this reputation to the next level. This saucepan combines exceptional design, premium materials, and ease of use, making it a must-have for both novice and seasoned chefs. In this detailed review, we will delve into every feature, benefit, and reason why this saucepan deserves a place in your kitchen. Exceptional design. Aesthetic meets functionality. The mirror-finish stainless steel exterior offers a timeless, elegant look, ideal for any kitchen decor. But it's not just about appearances. This saucepan's aluminum encapsulated base ensures quick and even heating, eliminating hot spots that could ruin your dish. Whether you're simmering sauces or boiling water, this design guarantees consistent results every time. The drip-free pouring design is a standout feature. With the flavor lock lid, the saucepan locks in heat and nutrients, ensuring your meals are not only delicious, but also packed with essential flavors. Performance that stands out. Constructed from premium materials, this saucepan is built to last. The aluminum core, surrounded by high-quality stainless steel, guarantees longevity. Unlike traditional pans, the Cuisinart 2-quart Pour Saucepan distributes heat evenly, allowing you to cook delicate recipes like caramel or custards without worry. Its 2-quart capacity is perfect for small to medium-sized cooking tasks, such as making sauces, reheating leftovers, or preparing grains. For larger families or bigger meals, it pairs beautifully with other cookware from the Contour Cookware line. Comfortable handling. Safe and reliable. Safety in the kitchen is paramount, and this saucepan delivers with its cool grip handles. Crafted from solid stainless steel, these riveted handles remain cool to the touch even during prolonged cooking sessions. This ergonomic design ensures a solid and safe grip, preventing accidents while offering maximum comfort during use. Easy cleanup. A game changer. One of the biggest challenges with cookware is cleanup. Luckily, the Cuisinart 2-quart Pour Saucepan is dishwasher-safe, making post-meal cleanup a breeze. The stainless steel surface resists stains, ensuring your pan looks as good as new after each use. Warranty and peace of mind. With a limited lifetime warranty, Cuisinart stands firmly behind this product. For questions or concerns, the detailed user manual provides troubleshooting tips, making your experience hassle-free. As an added bonus, the saucepan is BPA-free, ensuring safe cooking for your family. Why choose the Cuisinart 2-quart Pour Saucepan? 1. Versatility. Ideal for sauces, soups, grains, and reheating leftovers. 2. Durability. High-quality materials ensure this pan will last for years. 3. Convenience. Dishwasher-safe with cool handles for stress-free cooking. 4. Performance. Aluminum encapsulated base offers superior heat distribution. User feedback and testimonials. Many users have praised this saucepan for its reliability and ease of use. Here's what a few of them had to say. The even heat distribution is a game changer. No more burnt sauces for me. Cleanup is so simple, it's practically effortless. Plus, it looks gorgeous in my kitchen. I've been using this saucepan daily and it still looks brand new. Why this saucepan stands out. 1. Aluminum encapsulation. Faster cooking, better results. 2. Cool grip handles. Safety-first design for confidence in the kitchen. 3. Aesthetic appeal. Professional-grade cookware with a stunning finish. Conclusion. This Cuisinart 2-quart Pour Saucepan with cover Contour Cookware stainless steel is a stellar addition to any kitchen, offering unmatched performance, durability, and convenience. Its elegant design, even heat distribution, and user-friendly features make it ideal for both novice cooks and seasoned chefs. With its dishwasher-safe construction, ergonomic cool grip handles, and lifetime warranty, this saucepan not only simplifies cooking but also ensures long-lasting value. Curious about the full specifications of this incredible saucepan? Click the link in the description below to see the full product specifications. Don't wait to elevate your cooking experience with this versatile, high-performing saucepan from Cuisinart. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.